road. Gonna do some exploring. Shit. New camera, as you can see. God damn, this soil. The hell is that? It's a rock. It's not LED. It's a halogen light bulb. It's way stronger than that handy cam. What the fuck happened over here? Where the hell is the police tape? I don't feel safe, I should go. Yeah, like where the hell do they have to cut down these trees and shit? I'll go. These stairs feel way above those trees. I like this camera. I should have dressed up. If I'm going to get assaulted and robbed and shit, maybe making this video wasn't such a good idea. Especially going to this mini forest and shit. Oh fuck it, I'll go visit the gas station. Well, I gotta go into the store and get a bunch of shit that will piss me off. Not the best outfit. Well, barely outfit. Let's see if the shoe is still here. I think it's dreaming that it's still left traumatized that programmer. Well, it's not real. Hey, there are some carpets. Fuck it. Let's take a look if there's still that cinnamon at the end of that blog from when Ian tried to do the cinnamon challenge, but he failed miserably. God, I'm afraid. People think I'm a fucking retard. Looking at this stupid ass gigantic camera. Well, it's not gigantic, it's small compared to the Sony HVR 1000p. It's really small. I look like a retard with this bright ass halogen light. Goddamn distracted, like. Huh. Who forgot their Christmas tree? Since when is there a sign? I don't remember a sign being here, ever. I don't remember any sign being here. Oh fuck, yeah, I remember that oven. Why? Where's there another sign? I don't remember any sign being here. That was the goofiest car ever. Hey, a nice little garden. If there's the place where Ian constantly goes to hang out. I see. If that's the splash from the cinnamon here, especially the rainwater. Oh look, I should take a pan. Where the hell is there a wheelbarrow? Is that what it's called? Yep. And Ian, yeah, Martin was running that way towards that fence. I was just trying to go for him. Shit. The fuck is this? Oh. Anyways, I'm kind of afraid, so Yeah, there's a church. So let's start a trip back home. If I don't get assaulted and shit, or robbed or killed. Yes, my emo ass doesn't want to die yet. Quite poetic. I think I see. Oh yeah, look. Tell me that shit doesn't look human. That's a piece of shit. Yeah, I got this stupid ass expensive jacket on. And these stupid ass, I didn't even bother wearing jeans and shit. Just wear sweatpants. You're supposed to throw away the trash and shit. But it's not my new handicam. I don't even know how the hell I'm gonna digitize the videos. With regards to high 8. What the fuck? The infamous sewer. It can't be. I can't believe I walked away from there to here. Crazy, isn't it? Shit, I should have hurried up. I'm getting afraid. I don't know why. You should have watched those. That's the scariest. Fucking unmassacred car. Although, hey, the bank is empty. Oh lord, let's go. Fuck it, let's go to get through the trash. If I don't get hit by the car again. Like, what the hell are these? Boxes from furniture. Man, one rich motherfucker. This also where I found that extra stick with filth. Look, I never understood what the hell is shaped like that. Hopefully the video looks good. I never understood, like, what the hell is there, a car repair shop thing right over here? That's one through the road. And that's it. So